Hey y'all, it's a girl Judy. Back with another video. We are at Marshall's. So like I said, we are at Marshall's. I haven't been in this Marshall's in a while. Well, I haven't been to most places in a while. I've been home a lot. Ooh, this is cute. That's cute. $24.99. Those are cute. Okay, so let's see what we find. Oh my god, this is so cute. $34. Ooh. Okay, no. Wow. Those are gorgeous. Okay, back to where I was. Like I said, I haven't been to these stores in a while, but I am back. Oh, these are nice. $60 each. Very nice. For my front porch, I am actually going to clean my front porch today. There's a lot of pollen and dust on it, and I was hoping recording a video for you ladies would be fun. So when I do upload it, ladies, go ahead and give me some love on that video. Okay, let's get back to it. Okay, so I am here in the kitchen aisle. Not so much. They have a few canisters, as you can see there. They have that happy watering. A few up there. And some of these adorable mason jar look alike. Hold on, they're sold $16.99. This one's $16.99. Store and keep. Okay, so this is the clearance section, and they have a few mugs here for about, these are $8. It says dreams are the spice of love. $8, and it has this in the back, and it's the Disney Princess Rae Dunn collection here for $8, which I think is a little steep. Meemaw, then $5.50. Happy Spring. These are spring mugs, I think. Yep, and Happy Easter, y'all, in iridescent. Oh, this is so cute. $9.99. This is adorable. Comes with the little plates. $1. These are on sale for how much? $16. This is the clearance aisle, so I guess they might be on some kind of sale. Hey y'all, now I'm in the section, the office section here, and they have a few things. They have this, which is like a everyday kind of thing. Then they have these really cute ones, and they're actually on sale for $13. But this one is so cute. I've not seen this, and it's plastic. $8 for cotton balls and cotton swabs, and then the little ceramic eyes, face, etc. This is cute. $12. If it would not say this, I would get it for like my small office supplies, like paper clips and pins and all that kind of stuff that you use in an office. So summer is here, so I wanted to show you these cutie pies here with this cute little lemon, and it's also on sale for $10. And they have this ice cream for $24.99. Vanilla ice cream right there. Okay, ladies, so I am in the mug section, and I wanted to show you how cute this mug is. It has a blue handle. It says "Let's Get Lost," and then it has this little detail inside. World's Best Grandpa, $6.99. They have quite a few of these. World's Best Grandpa, Back to the Grind, Happy Spring up there, Jelly Beans, and Iridescent. And then they have quite a bit of these. One Smart Cookie. Let me see this one. $6.99, and it's pink in the inside. Is cute. This is cute. I would give this to my daughter, but she doesn't drink coffee. How cute are these? Happy Camper, and Hiking Fuel. I love these colors. It's like it's giving me like fall vibes. $6.99. These are really heavy. Those are cute. Oh my god, how cute is this? I know some of you ladies like these little nomies. They're for $16.99. But look at this. Kiss the Cook. Look at the little flour. 50-pound bag of flour. The rolling pin. How cute are these? What? And then they have my hero with the stethoscope right here. First Mate. Another Kiss the Cook. Aren't these cute and adorable? I love those. More of this 4th of July. $7.99. These are cute. $7.99. All American. Those are adorable. How cute is this little end cap here with all this Rae Dunn? So cute and adorable. They have lots of mugs too. They have Freedom Ring in red, USA with the stars, America with the stars on the top. These are all $6.99, by the way. Yep, they are cute. Look at this little guy here. This is a Joanna Parker $7.99 mug. He's adorable. I love the details on him. So cute. Okay, y'all, so this is the checkout line, and it has a ton of 4th of July, but I cannot record as I like because there's people here behind me. Just take a quick look at how beautiful this stuff looks. Look at this sign here. Candles, the mugs, the cards. Oh my god, so beautiful. And then right behind me they have all these. You go ahead. $12.99. Take a Hike. They have Mermaid. Let's Get Lost. See these? These are gorgeous. Let me see this. Summer what? Summer Days. $12.99. That's cute. Okay, let me step back and have you take another look now. Vete para acá. Look at this guy. I think this is another Joanna Parker. Let me see if I'm right. Nope, it's actually Rae Dunn. $12.99. Huge Rae Dunn hat. Beautiful. Oh yeah, it is. I can see it right here. And look at this. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I have to go because there's people right behind me. Oh my goodness, it's hot. It's 90 degrees hot. Whew. Oh my god, I don't know how you guys in these tropical weathers up there in Florida and Texas could do it. I don't know how, but oh, it's hot. Hey y'all, guess where I'm at? Yes. Hey guys, how beautiful is this end cap here for picnics in summer? They have those beautiful trays and melamine plates and bowls. It's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Okay guys, I am here in the Rae Dunn corner that they always have in this store. And they have the cilantro and onion here. And hold on, let me remove this guy up here. But they have, look what they have here. I think this is the what? The Friends one. I love these guys right here. They're so cute. Crazy plant mom. Plant in the back. Super cute and adorable. They have a few of those also. Camp life. Not much for today, but look at this set. It's adorable. Hey y'all, I'm in the office section here in Home Goods. Just wanted to show you this because I have never seen it before. Look at these cute rainbow shaped pencil holders. It says create for $6.99. Those are cute. They have them in yellow. These are adorable. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. I'm loving that. Very cute. And then these oversized right ones. Very cute. I'm loving that.